Hello, hello. Welcome to Glow and Grow with Gigi. Did you know the letters E and A can make two different sounds? Let's see. Sometimes we say E and A, long E, like eat, read, clean, teacher, peach. Can you hear the long E sound? Let's read them again. Eat, read, clean, teacher, peach. Okay, that's good. But wait, not always. Sometimes we pronounce EA short E, like in bread, head, ready, breakfast, weather. This time the sound is short E. Let's read them again. Bread, head, ready, breakfast, weather. So remember, EA can say E or E. English is full of surprises. So remember, don't memorize English, use English. Now it's time for the challenge. What other words with E and A? Do you know? Write a comment below. See you in the next video.